You were not recording. You were recording.
The subframe is pretty much in. So normally I like putting everything on, like all the arms together and the diff and putting it all up in one shot. But since it's powder coated and it's nice, I'm trying to be meticulous about it. So I'm doing it one piece at a time so stuff doesn't get scratched, because you spend a lot of money doing the bushings and the powder coating. So even though I haven't scratched anything with everything together, but I'm being extra careful since it's, 34 customer car and all that stuff. So it's been so long that I had it apart. I'm trying to figure out which bolts are where, but I'll figure it out. I think I figured out it's these that go to the subframe brackets. Yep, that looks right. I was right. The ones in my hand before were for the sway bar brackets.
right, guys. Well, the R34, I would say this is like step 1 is done because he's gonna come back and get all the engine work done. But yeah, so subframe powder coated, lower control arms done, all the bushings done back here.
Yep.
He even came back and we did this real quick too. What do you call that?
The shock mount.
Yeah, lower shock mount bushing. All the SPL arms are in here. What else? Diff bushings, Hicus delete.
Yeah.
Everything back here is done. So,
Coilovers, obviously.
coilovers, yeah, stance coilovers. Got those.
Too, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah, all the brakes done.
DBA rotors, EBC pads,
And the
nice stuff.
transmission.
And transmission.
Transmission was replaced. We put a drive shaft in here. I don't think it's aluminum. I think it was steel.
Yes, it was steel.
Yeah. I kind of was like, oh wait, no, this is aluminum.
It is aluminum?
It's not carbon fiber. Yeah. He was like, should I get the carbon fiber one? I'm like, you really
That's
don't
what it
need
was.
that.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Yeah. We even powder coated this chassis brace that's on the back
And
of
the
the
heat
trans
shields
tunnel.
on the exhaust.
Oh yeah, the heat shields too.
I like that. That's actually a nice touch.
I don't know if that was ceramic coated or what, but it's something. We try to make it look as factory as we could, thanks to clientele coatings. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So what did you think when you drove the car?
I really like this car.
Yeah.
It drives really good.
Yeah, this is like one of my favorite cars to drive that we put together, I feel like. At least on the street.
Yeah, and it's not even too harsh. Like you would think it would be harsh with all like the polyurethane
Yeah.
and all that stuff and the stance coilers, but it's really not. And I didn't go crazy with the stance coilovers. I just have it set in the middle right now.
And this is like as high as they can go in the back,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, no, I thought it was really comfortable. He's got the Nismo steering wheel too, which is really nice.
Yep.
Yeah, just everything in the car is nice. The shifter too, didn't you change it? Oh, it's just Nismo short shifter? Or I don't know if it's a Nismo short shifter or OEM one, but it's...
It was just OE. I didn't have any Nismo sticker.
Yeah,
on the
that's just a
pouch.
replacement one. But the setup that was on here before was kind of... Well, we can show them the
Hodgepodge.
shifter.
Yeah, it
You
was.
still have it, right?
Yeah, I think it's still over there.
That's just a shifter someone cut.
Yeah, and then welded to move it back.
Yeah, because this was an automatic. They
And
put an RB20 transmission in it. And then we were doing the clutch and we found out that it didn't have an RB25 trans in it, so we ordered an RB25 transmission. That's why we replaced it. But yeah, car's really nice. I guess there is some stuff in the front too, right?
I did all the bushings up front too. We did the lower control arm bushings, the ball joints. All the ball joints have been replaced. The knuckle bushings up top where the upper control arm meet, that bushing is changed, and the upper control arm bushings were all changed also.
Yeah, the front upper control arm is actually still stock, so we just replaced the bushings. And brake calipers were all powder coated by clientele coatings.
And we rebuilt it, obviously. You gotta change all the seals.
Yeah, so that was all done. The final alignment's getting done right now.
Rack bushings were done. Every bushing, literally every bushing.
Which is, yeah, that's what he wanted. He wanted he wanted all the bushings to be done. So I'd say the only ones that might not have been done are the sway bar bushings, right?
Yes, the sway bar bushings. Both sides.
Yeah, so that's a future thing.
Yeah.
Honestly, probably gonna end up taking this subframe out, getting it powder coated, putting it back in.
Especially with the motor coming out.
Yeah. So, yeah, this car's gonna have a bunch more stuff done. The owner obviously likes upgrading the car. He has no problem spending the money. This is
His
gonna
dream
be,
car.
Yeah, this is his dream car. So, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Was this a 3-part thing, Eddie? Yeah, it was a 3-part series. So, this winter he's gonna bring it back and we're gonna do the engine. So, stay tuned for that.
Yep.
And yeah. Bye.
Adios.
What's up, guys? Another month means another giveaway on the Faction website. Every $5 spent is one entry to win a set of Stage wheels. You can see them on all the Front Street cars. We got Josh's car right here. He's rocking the Monroe wheels. Stage has been an awesome brand. They've been working with us for a few years now, and I got nothing but nice things to say about them. Whether you guys need a full set of wheels for your track car or you're just looking for spare wheels for burners, you're gonna get the chance to win a full set. So any style, any size, any color, every $5 spent is a chance to win a set of wheels. And faction merchandise is double entries. So check out our website and good luck.